If you're like me, you want to find ways to be more productive to get the most out of your day. Fun fact, studies have shown that Elon Musk has the exact same amount of hours a day as you and I. Therefore, not having enough time is the one excuse we are not allowed to make. Hi, my name is Charles Swanepoel, and in this video I'll give you 5 strategies you can start implementing immediately to be more productive. Since this video is about productivity, let's jump straight into the first strategy, which is making your bed. There's a famous speech by William McRaven which says, "If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. It will give you a small sense of pride, and it will encourage you to do another task and another and another." I think that quote speaks for itself, and overall it's just a great habit to set you up for a productive and organized day. The next strategy that really helps me getting things done is waking up early. I know it sounds cliche, but I believe that success leaves clues. So let's look at the first example. The Rock wakes up at 3:30 in the morning. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, wakes up at 3:45 in the morning. Howard Schultz, the CEO of Starbucks, wakes up at 4 in the morning. The main reason these people wake up so early is because it just gives them a head start. Before everybody else is awake, they can get an hour or 2 hours of work done without any distractions because the whole world is asleep. If you usually wake up at 6, try waking up at 5. Try not to touch your phone in the first hour. Try to work on the most important task that you have for the day. The next strategy I recently started implementing in my day is planning your day the night before. Benjamin Franklin has a famous quote that says, "Failing to plan is planning to fail." Try writing a to-do list in the evening or when you're done with your day's work for the next day, in which you include the most important tasks you want to complete the next day, so that you can cross them out as you do them, and that will really give you motivation to complete every one on the list. The fourth strategy really is a no-brainer for me, and that is getting some daily exercise. As you can see, I'm a cyclist and I train in between 15 to 20 hours a week, but that doesn't mean you have to. Studies have shown that 30 minutes of daily exercise can show some huge benefits in your life, including reduced anxiety and depression, improved sleep, and just overall feeling better. The benefits of exercise really are endless, and if you find it difficult to get yourself out of the door, there is a simple tip that I read about in Atomic Habits that says, "Start small to make your habit easy." If you want to form a new habit, you have to make it easy. Running 5Ks seems like a daunting task, but putting on your running shoes is very simple. So try putting on your running shoes at the same given time every day, and I promise you'll be more likely to get out of the door. If you're finding this video helpful, please do something productive, like hitting the like button for me. Let's jump into the last strategy you can use to be more productive, which is setting deadlines for yourself. In the book, The 4-Hour Workweek, I read about the Parkinson's Law. The Parkinson's Law dictates that a task will swell in importance and complexity in relation to the time allotted for completion. More simply put, the longer you have to get something done, the longer it will take. There's a study in which the CEO of a New Zealand-based financial services firm told employees who normally worked 40 hours a week to work only 32 hours with no cut in their pay. According to conventional wisdom, cutting the work hours should have resulted in a net decrease in productivity, in the sense that the company would be paying the same amount of money for less work getting done. In fact, the opposite occurred. The employees experienced a sharp increase, 24%, in work-life balance, and as a result were more effective. I recently started setting deadlines for myself, and it really helps me getting a lot of things done a lot quicker. If you use these 5 strategies, which is making your bed, waking up early, planning your day the night before, getting some daily exercise, and setting deadlines for yourself, I guarantee you will see an increase in your productivity. If you like this video, please leave a like and please subscribe, as I'll be posting 2 videos a week. Thanks.